you got your little intake. That's the right one.
Yeah, thank God.
Was yours facing forward previously?
Yeah.
Because I'm just looking at how, you know, we don't want to sit on top of that screw, and I see that we shaved this thing.
Yeah, we did.
But it looks like we shaved it to be facing a completely different direction.
Yeah.
Alrighty then.
Another Nibbi carb install.
I do believe these are the same. Different needles, though. So it's like we modified the top of this ever so slightly. Good to go.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Guess we should go on to the wiring. I'm being real with you, Mitch. I do not remember how this shit works, even though I've done it so many times.
Yeah.
And they all happen to be green. All right, so you're gonna hold this to this bolt here, Mitch, and you're gonna look for spark. Oh, wait. We gotta attach,
ground.
Attach this ground. Yeah. Let's hold it back up on there. Keys in the off position.
Still seeing it.
God damn it. So I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're wired.
It's all fucking beautiful.
So throw the exhaust on. Of all the bikes that have a smash situation.
Smash?
Yeah, this is a fucking smash situation. Just got that thing off and re-weld it back on. That's awesome. Okay. So but we ran a bolt through these holes that already exist right there, and then bolted up a piece of metal. But the internet seems to think that you need this to circulate oil to the top of the head. I ran mine without one for a while, but I wouldn't want to take the risk on yours. And apparently if you don't connect oil from this bolt to this bolt, because that's what the oil cooler would do, it'll take it from one of the bolts, circulate it through here, and it'll go right here. Apparently, somehow, without those two connected, it doesn't circulate oil to the top of your engine here. Oh, maybe we should just do it right now. You've done your work for the day, clone. Proud of you.
Look, I'm here and ready to help you guys.
Where's it supposed to go? Right there?
Yeah, I got some of these bottom bolts here. I mean, that's a good spot for it. I think we gotta make custom lines, you know?
Yeah.
Because if we get these fittings tomorrow, are supposed to come, we get those lines made up, then you, in theory, could be rolling out of here tomorrow morning.
Got the carb on. Got the oil cooler on. It just needs an extension.